Happy birthday, Mummy.
Happy birthday, Mummy.
Mummy, we are compiling a few videos for you on your birthday. We wanted you to watch all those videos so that your nephews and nieces have conveyed some message, as well as we also thought we wanted to share our thoughts about you
And
and
what we feel about you.
what we feel about you. First and foremost, I can't thank you enough for bringing us up. You did a fantastic job in bringing up the your four children into a good level. What do you say? Your strength, your energy, your principles, your teachings, your strict behavior, and everything molded us. And from your life, we have learnt a lot, and we have learned to face every battle. Every battle we have learned to face it with a head held high and a head held. What do you say? With uh, just rising above all and facing the problems as it comes, and finishing off the problems as we face it. Thank you for everything. Thank you for bringing us up into such heights, and we never got the opportunity to thank you, Mummy. Thank you so much. Love you loads. Love you, love you, love you. Mwah. Bye.
Yeah, speaking about you, Mummy, what I have to say is when I got married and came to this house, um, I was not feeling like you were my mother-in-law. I used to feel like you are my grandma, like my nana, Dada's mom. Both of you have similar qualities, like the way you carry forward your personality, the way you dress up, and the way you talk with poise, and the attitude and elegance that you have. That is all really too good, Mummy. That we have to learn from you. We look upon you on all those things.
And she won't forget you making her read Psalms.
I'm not talking about that, or about prayers also. I don't want to say anything about prayers. Well, you are a strong lady, and even at this age, the way you know to control your 4 children is amazing. It is something to learn. And the love that you have towards them, and the way you cook and serve for others, that is like from your heart. It is from your heart always that you, whenever now you cannot enter, but earlier I know that when you enter the kitchen, you cook so much. When someone
In
comes,
full and plenty. In
full and plenty. And all your food is so tasty, and fortunately I was able to learn your fish moli, the orappam, the traditional dishes that you make. That I was fortunate to be with you and learn all those things. So these are the good things about you that I remember, Mummy. And may God bless you with good health, long life, and be as what you are now. You I also have to tell you that you also have the ability to take things lightly and forgive quickly. That is very good. And may God bless you, Mummy, with good health, happiness, and may all of us be united like this always. It's only because of you that we all are staying united. All your kids, you have brought them up very well. That's what I have to
Thank
say.
you, Mummy. We love you a lot. Thank you so much for bringing us up in a proper manner. Thank you so much for helping us stay together. Thank you so much
For the prayers also.
for the prayers, for installing that we should all stick on together.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for being Mummy. Thank you for just being a mom. Thank you, Lord. Love you loads.
Love you, Mummy. And all the future videos, the videos that is coming forward, please watch it. And I'm compiling even some of the good moments that we had with you recently. Okay, Mummy?
Love
Bye.
you.
Love you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
A loving tribute to my mother on her birthday. M is for mother, most marvelous mother to me. Oh, for the one and only good thing that ever happened to me. T is for the tender love she's given me today. H is for the heavens that all mothers represent on earth. E is for the everlasting love she's given me all times. R is for the reassurance that mother gives to me. Mother, dearest mother, without you, where would I be? God's greatest gift on earth, mother dear, that's you. Mother, dearest mother, without you, where would I be? God's greatest blessings on earth, mother dear, that's you.
Happy birthday, Mama. You're the person I love the most in this world, and there are like so many memories about you from when I was a small boy till now. Your love has never changed. It is something which has remained the same thing right from then till now, and that is something what I like about you. End of the day, you're all about hugs and kisses, and that is what fills my heart the most. No matter what a bad day or rough patch I'm going through, end of the day when I come to you, when I see you and I give you a hug before I go to sleep, it's the best for me. And you're a determined person. You're a very determined person. You're a tough nut. But that is your essence. That is what you are, and that is it's very fortunate. We have such a strong person like you in the family, and everybody's scared of you. Everybody at home, So we all love you. We all love you very much, and I want to wish you every single year like this. I don't know, from like 100 years or more, because waking up and seeing your face in the morning is the best thing for me. And it's more than mommy, more than anybody at home. It's you who I've been able to talk to the most, and it just happens with you. And I love you so very much, Mama. You're the best, and I can't express so many things with few words and all. I don't know what to say, but you have been my best blessing, and I'll always be grateful for the love that you've given me, Mama. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mummy. May God bless you abundantly with His heavenly blessings. You are the light of our family. You have been burning throughout your life for all of us. So may the Almighty shower His blessings on you. Happy birthday once again.
On this auspicious day, wishing you a very, very happy birthday, Mummy. Love you.
Prayers and best wishes for you, Mummy. A very happy birthday to you.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, our dearest and darling Mama, with lots and lots of hugs and kisses. Stay happy and stay blessed.
Happy birthday, Auntie Sheila. Auntie Sheila. Auntie was such a fashionable young woman in her heydays. I still remember how well she used to put up her hair. In fact, she looked like the film stars of the days. I also remember the various dishes that she used to make for us when we went to her house. She always welcomed all her sisters and brothers, her nieces, nephews, with a warm, welcoming mind and heart. So I would like to wish Auntie once again a very, very happy birthday.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Auntie Sheila. May God bless you with many such birthdays. You are really a blessing for all of us.
Hi, Auntie Sheila. I really want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. And I just want to share a few memories that I have about you. I remember when we used to come from Nigeria, we used to come to your home, And you are a person who has always been very busy, like you're bustling around, cooking and feeding us and serving, and you never sit still. You know, that's my most memory of you, is that you're always on the move, feeding us, and you know, and it's been like that all through. And I remember even when we were in Chavara after that, when you used to come and visit, your love and warmth is something that embraces everybody around you. And not to mention your poise, you're always so well dressed and wear your beautiful saris in such a neat and grand manner. And you are like one of the people that we look up to and have always looked up to. So Auntie, I want to wish you the very best of health and a very long life, and be who you are always, full of love, full of joy, giving the love of God to those around you. Have a very blessed birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Wishing you all the very best on this special day of yours. I'm so glad to take this opportunity to wish you. Auntie കുറിച്ച് ഓർക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആൻറ്റിയുടെ പ്രസന്നമായൊരു മുഖമാണ് എപ്പോഴും മനസ്സിൽ ആദ്യം ഓടിയെത്തുന്നത്. And the most thing I admire about you is like you look after your kids very well, you protected them, and so do them as well at this time. എല്ലാവിധ ആരോഗ്യവും ഐശ്വര്യവും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി നേർന്നുകൊണ്ട് താങ്ക് യു ആൻറ്റി. ഹാവ് എ ഗുഡ് വൺ.
Happy birthday, Sheila. Auntie, have a pleasant day.
Hi Auntie, I wish your birthday is just as special you are. May Lord bless you. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Grandma Sheila.
Here's a cake for you.
But speak the words of comfort, my spirit it shall be.
Sing that once again, Mummy. Start again.
Oh Lord, I am not worthy that thou shouldst come to me, but speak the words of comfort, my spirit it shall be. Finished.
Oh, nice, very good.
Let me stay in your arms. Give him 25 minutes more, 45 minutes more in your arms.
Chance.